Good morning, guys. We are going to Fuel Fed. It is early in the morning and low-key I'm kind of late, so let's just go. This does feel like a mini check tit. Look at all this. This is not what we expected at all. There's multiple directions and a Dalmatian. How am I supposed to find Paul? Look who we literally accidentally just found. Yeah.
I'm good.
What's up, man? It's good to see you.
Yeah. Thanks for the invite.
Yeah, dude. This is our first time at this one, so we've never been to this one. We've been to like a version of it in, where was it, Barrington?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But like, this one's huge.
Yeah, I haven't been to this area for a while, so it's like,
Yeah, why not, right?
I was like, sure,
Yeah.
let's go for it.
Hello.
Hey, where are you at?
Yeah. I'm currently standing.
Oh, I found Juan.
Oh, I see you. Look to your left.
Oh, yeah. Okay. It's Juan and Paul. Oh my God. That's so cool. So far what I know is Fuel Fed is absolutely insane. The rest of our team is here. They're doing a lot of stuff. So I'm actually going to take the drone out and start flying it. I'm shooting the feature right now because I've learned my lesson, and if I don't shoot the feature first, then every one of the cars leaves. So I'm doing that first, and then we'll walk around if we have time. So I'm going to take the drone out. So on a tale of cars I've never seen on in my entire life, it would have to be this Lamborghini Espada. You only very, very rarely ever hear about them or ever see them. So the fact that there's two of them, literally, is insane. Just finished up at the show. We are going to pull our cars into where all the cars were at, go find something to eat and kind of go from there. But that was something. I don't even know how to explain. The show seriously had so much to offer, and there's so much things there. Cars, super exclusive cars I've never seen before. Like I said, that Lamborghini I've never seen in my entire life. So I know I didn't really do too much vlog footage because I ended up shooting the feature film literally the entire time. So that feature, the shooting process took about 2 hours. So it's just amazing. Like the cars that we saw was, I mean, insane. There's a Ferrari 220, the Lamborghinis. I mean, these are cars I've never, literally never seen in my life. So Fuel Fed, thank you again, providing such a cool show for everybody. So we're gonna go try to find something to eat because it's 11:30 now and we're hungry, tired, and it's kind of hot. It's actually a really nice day out, but with all of our equipment, it gets pretty hot. What's happening here?
It's quite cool in here.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's 2015.
Just gang.
This is a music video right here.
Just start spitting bars that I don't have.
There's doorways. And Nora will definitely not take it. What? I would have thought. Come on.
Look, I could, but I don't know how I'm getting down. Yo, those sunglasses though?
Yeah, I'm staring
the
at that
hearts.
on this day too.
I like these ones.
I would get those and a
With the
mini
Mini
Cooper.
Coupe?
This one.
Oh, there you go.
Don't do that until you buy it.
Don't
Don't do that until you buy it.
No.
I feel you. I feel you. I feel you.
Games on Lincoln. Oh, Tiffany.
Crossy Road.
That is her game.
Crossy Road. Yeah.
She's not even kidding.
Like actually, I'm really good at that game.
Wow. Literally feels like California. This is kind of crazy. Are we even in Chicago? No. Dude, it feels like California. I'm literally in Santa Monica right now. was cool. That's a wrap on our day. I think we're all gonna go home now. I was gonna put you guys up here, but I forgot my thing, so guess not. But
I try to photobomb you from behind the fitted footage.
it's okay. It's all good. Goodbye, friends. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh.
Doesn't work.
See ya. That's it. Tiffany went upstairs, but we are now done for the weekend. What a super long weekend. The last video that you guys probably saw was when we were with the lowriders, and that was literally until like 10 o'clock last night, and then we started to do Winnetka this morning. So it's been a pretty busy weekend, but you know what? I wouldn't have it any other way. It is summer, and that's what it's for, right? So literally we're done. It was just exciting, and thank you to all the friends that hung out today. V, it was really good to see you. Juan, Paul, Tiff, as always, thank you guys for coming along for the ride. I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. We're pretty close to 500 subscribers, and I'd like to get there. So please check down below. Make sure that you are subscribed. Please leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. See you on the other side.
He's on bags.
There he is.
I got you. I got you. All right. Spotting. Spotting. Spotting.
Go anyway.